Hi, it's Mrs. Robinson, and today I'm going to read you some nursery rhymes from The Real Mother Goose. Now, nursery rhymes are fun because they rhyme, and sometimes they can teach you something, and sometimes they're just fun to listen to. So I'm going to read you a couple that you might know, and a couple that you might not know, and one where you might learn something. So let's try one. This says, I saw a ship a sailing. I saw a ship a sailing on the sea, and oh, it was all laden with pretty things for thee. There were comforts in the cabin and apples in the hold. The sails were made of silk, and the masts were made of gold. The 4 and 20 sailors that stood between the decks were 4 and 20 white mice with chains upon their necks. The captain was a duck with a packet on his back, and when the ship began to move, the captain said, "Quack, quack." So that was kind of a funny one. This is one you probably know. You probably even know it by heart. Jack be nimble, Jack be quick. Jack jumped over the candlestick. And it shows a picture of Jack there. Now this one is where you can learn something. And I remember my mom used to tell me this a long time ago. 30 days has September, April, June, and November. February has 28 alone. All the rest have 31 except leap year, and that's the time when February's days are 29. So that's a good way to remember how many days are in a month. So I remember saying 30 days has September, and all the rest I don't remember. So that's kind of funny too. All right, see if you can memorize a couple of these. I'm sure you can do Jack be nimble. All right, talk to you later. Bye.